What's good, YouTube? It's your boy X, back today with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the brand new and updated 2023 iPhone method. This is not no $5,000 to $10,000 play. This is how you can get up to $100,000 through Verizon. And no, it's not going to take you 5 or 10 months. Nah, you can do this in 30 to 60 days if you get your cards right. The first thing you need to do is build you a CPN. Of course, you know the CPN is a must-have in this play, man. Put some zombie debt on it that is 3 years or older. This will add aged primary accounts to your history, and this will boost your credit score about 50 to 80 points, depending on what your credit score is right now. If you don't have anything on there and then you add one of those, your score is going to be about 680 to 700 off the rip. You want to have as high of a credit limit as you can on each account. I'm not saying it's bad to start with 500. What I'm saying is if you have the ability to start at $100,000 trade line, that will ensure that you get approved for $50,000 to $60,000, $75,000 with your CPN instead of getting approved for $5,000 to $10,000 max. You feel me? So what I do is I add some primaries, add about 2 or 3 of them. I add an auto primary and I add a credit card. Now, if I'm really making sure that I want to get the most out of it, I add $50,000 worth of cars, and then I'll add a mortgage that's paid off, so $300,000 or more. That'll get you a good, solid CPN. Then I add other things on there like payment report. You can get Ava Finance. They report $2,500. Then what you want to do is build you a LLC or get you an Age Corp. Now, this is $1 million play. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This is more than iPhones. I wasn't really gonna spill all this shit in this video, but fuck it. If you got this video, man, go ahead, turn this bitch up, go run the money up, go get you a bag. Go get an Age Corporation and go get a car, a house, rent those houses out, rent those cars out, and learn how to discharge your debt. Once you do that, the money is limitless. You can get as much money as you fucking want. Get you a solid CPN with 5 or more trade lines. If you don't have that many trade lines, don't run this play because you're wasting your time. Get 5 trade lines, go run this play, go online to Verizon, AT&T, Consumer Cellular, shit like that. Then go apply. Most of the time, if you go through the virtual chat, you can chat with a specific person and they'll give you a better limit. You can ask them to increase that shit for you. They'll run that bitch up for you. You feel me? Text the virtual chat. If you built your CPN right, you will be approved for at least 20K. If you don't get approved for that, your CPN was not built right and you ran the play too early. If you want to get 100K, you can do this with an Age Corporation as well. So run this with multiple businesses, multiple credit profiles. You will get approved for 25, 35, 45. All that shit will add up and you can get over 100K. If you use a credit card and you learn how to discharge your debt, then you'll never even have to worry about none of this shit. You can keep running it up every single month. If you want to learn how to do all of this shit, message me on Telegram.